Hello tech enthusiasts and clean freaks! Today we're diving headfirst into the world of high-tech cleaning with the Dyson V11 Torque Drive cordless vacuum. Dyson has long been a leader in innovative vacuum technology, and the V11 is no exception. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The V11 Torque Drive is more than just a vacuum cleaner, it's a statement piece. Its sleek, futuristic design is sure to turn heads. The vacuum comes with a variety of attachments, each designed for a specific cleaning task. From hardwood floors to upholstery, the V11 has you covered. Unboxing the V11 is like unveiling a piece of sophisticated machinery. The packaging is sleek and well organized, showcasing the premium nature of the product. Inside, you'll find the vacuum itself, along with a variety of attachments neatly arranged. The instructions are clear and concise, making assembly a breeze even for those who aren't tech-savvy. One of the standout features of the V11 is its powerful digital motor. This thing really sucks, it generates impressive suction power, effortlessly picking up dirt, dust, and debris from all surfaces. The V11 also features Dyson's patented radial root cyclone technology, which separates dust and dirt from the air, ensuring a deeper clean. The V11 is incredibly user-friendly. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it easy to maneuver around furniture and into tight spaces. Emptying the dustbin is a breeze, with a simple one-touch mechanism that ejects the dirt without any mess. The battery life is impressive, providing up to 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge. One of the coolest features is the V11's LCD screen. It displays the cleaning mode, remaining battery life, and even filter maintenance alerts. You'll never be left wondering how much juice you have left or when it's time to clean the filter. Speaking of filters, the V11 features a fully sealed filtration system that captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, making it a great choice for allergy sufferers. The Dyson V11 Torque Drive is undoubtedly a premium vacuum cleaner with a price tag to match. It's a significant investment, but one that pays off in terms of performance, ease of use, and overall cleaning experience. Compared to other high-end cordless vacuums on the market, the V11 holds its own. Its powerful suction, long battery life, and intelligent features justify the higher price point. Overall, the Dyson V11 Torque Drive cordless vacuum cleaner is an impressive piece of technology that delivers on its promises. It's powerful, versatile, and incredibly easy to use, making it an excellent choice for anyone who demands the best in home cleaning.